What is the explanation for people who claim to lose weight after moving to Europe? An American friend who visited Dublin for 2 weeks lost 15 pounds, and that was with frequent sampling of the Guinness. He didn't drive anywhere. He traveled by public transport into the city, and that involved walking to the bus stop or DART station, and again at the other end. In the city itself, it was walking everywhere. My daughter took him to see the sights, like the view from Howth Head and swimming in the 40-foot and the deer in the Phoenix Park. Lots of exercise. Portions were way smaller than he was used to, even in McDonald's. There were no refills. Most of the faster food places in Dublin don't have waiters. If you want an extra cookie, you get up and go to the counter rather than ordering one. He realized he didn't really want it that much. Even in the fancy restaurants with waiters, you have to ask for the extra bread, etc. It doesn't come automatically. Meals are more social. We tend to sit down to eat and talk while we are eating, so it's less about grabbing a big meal to go.